Portable and efficient with zero operation threshold, the whole machine has a minimum net weight of 28 kilograms and can be easily transported by a single person. Equipped with the O3 Tech FW22-II laser welding head. Fast and easy parameter adjustment. Wire feeding. Wire pullback. Built-in integrated wire feeding system. No external wire feeder required. Built-in multi-language operating system. 3-knob adjustment design. Easier and more convenient operation. Continuous wave mode. Pulsed mode. Cleaning mode. Contact Raysoar right now for the details and more requests.